Looking for the best online casino but tired of endless research? Well, look no further, friends. Casino Hawks has the perfect tool for you. Hello Internet, it's Ed here with CasinoHawks.com. We are always thinking about how we can help you make the best casino decisions. This is why we've come up with an amazing new feature that's crafted specifically for you, the Casino Comparison Tool. So we hear you ask, what exactly is it? Our tool allows you to filter, analyze, and compare key factors between our top rated casinos. Filter options include essentials such as ratings, bonus values, and free spins, as well as wagering, licenses, and so much more. Just a couple of clicks and you can compare variations among your selected casinos to determine which one matches best with your preferences. Interesting. Now, where can you find this tool? Simple, just head to CasinoHawks.com where you'll find the best ranking online casinos in the UK right on the homepage. To start comparing, first select your casinos, then press the Compare button at the bottom of the screen to launch the Casino Comparison Tool. And there you have it! The most important information will appear listed side by side. If you want to compare even more casinos, then press the plus button and click on any other casino to change your selection. This way you can choose and compare up to 4 of our best rated casinos at a time.
She wants more!
Then press the full comparison button to access a complete and detailed comparison, one with 13 factors to make the best decision for you. Besides the overall convenience, our tool has an amazing additional benefit. It is completely mobile friendly. That's right, you can easily use our casino comparison tool on your smartphone and tablet with the same user-friendly experience as on your personal computers. Are you ready to elevate your casino experience? Let us know your thoughts about our comparison tool in the comments section below. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. This is Ed wishing you luck and reminding you, as always, play responsibly.